When it comes to generating income swiftly through online channels, the possibilities are endless. In today's video, I'll delve into approximately 4 or 5 of the most effective methods, tailored especially for beginners seeking tangible returns within 2 to 3 weeks. It's important to note from the outset that there's no such thing as a get-rich-quick scheme. Instead, we're exploring side hustles that can kickstart your earnings promptly, provided you approach them diligently. Before we go any further into this video, welcome to Cash Money Ideas. Here, we will show you the most up-to-date making money, online ideas, tips, and tricks. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. We would love to hear your thoughts. Now let's get back to the video. Let's dive into the first method, leveraging the eBay marketplace to sell items lying around your home. Selling unused items on eBay. Starting with this side hustle holds personal significance for me, as it marked my own introduction to online earning, scouring my house for unused items belonging to myself, family members, or friends. I captured images using my smartphone and listed them for sale on eBay. This simple approach yielded my initial $11,000 in profits. If you reside in countries like the US, UK, Germany, Australia, or Canada, where eBay has a substantial user base, chances are you have items with latent value. eBay's origins lie in providing a platform for selling used goods, making it an accessible avenue for beginners looking to make quick money. eBay dropshipping. For those without suitable items for direct sale, eBay dropshipping presents an alternative path to online earnings. While the process of setting up an eBay account and validating details remains essential, existing eBay users can venture into dropshipping, using Amazon as a fulfillment method. Though eBay's policies discourage direct use of Amazon, many dropshippers circumvent these regulations. Tools like Zeek Analytics facilitate product research by revealing trending items on eBay sourced from Amazon. This approach eliminates the need for significant initial investments, making eBay dropshipping a viable option for newcomers to the online earning landscape. However, let's now explore the third method for making money online quickly. This approach entails offering services to YouTubers. Considering that YouTube ranks as the second most visited website globally, there's immense potential in providing services to content creators on the platform. These services could range from long-form video editing to SEO optimization and thumbnail design. You have 2 primary options for offering these services. You can either perform the services yourself or engage in drop servicing. If you opt to offer the services yourself, you can acquire the necessary skills by accessing tutorials and resources available on platforms like YouTube. Within a span of 2 weeks, you can become proficient in tasks such as video editing or thumbnail design. Alternatively, you can pursue drop servicing, which involves outsourcing tasks to freelancers and then reselling the services at a markup. Platforms like Fiverr offer a plethora of freelancers offering services such as YouTube video editing. By negotiating with these freelancers and adding your margin, you can present comprehensive service packages to YouTubers. This method allows you to capitalize on the diverse needs of content creators, positioning you to earn income swiftly. Constructing a professional pitch is crucial when approaching YouTubers. Tools like ChatGPT can assist in crafting compelling emails tailored to each client's needs. By including key selling points such as offering a free trial, availability for questions, quick turnaround times, and unlimited revisions, you can enhance your appeal to potential clients. To obtain email addresses of YouTubers, you can navigate to their channels and locate the View Email Address option. Building a database of contacts and regularly reaching out to them with tailored pitches can significantly increase your chances of securing clients. Consistent and strategic outreach efforts are key to establishing yourself as a reliable service provider in the YouTube ecosystem. Before we continue, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you love the video so far and found the content interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Now, let's get back to the video. Now let's delve into another lucrative avenue for making money online quickly, which involves utilizing Google Maps to identify businesses lacking a website and then leveraging AI technology to swiftly build websites for them. Here's a concise walkthrough of how this side hustle operates. Begin by navigating to Google Maps and searching for a specific type of business, such as a barbershop. This method applies to various businesses, like mechanics, cleaning companies, or gardeners. Browse through the listed businesses and identify those without an existing website. For instance, if a barbershop lacks a website, proceed to find their contact details, typically available on platforms like Instagram or Facebook. Once you've obtained the business's contact information, craft a professional outreach message using tools like ChatGPT. Personalize each message and highlight the benefits of having a website. To create the website swiftly, utilize AI-powered website builders, like the one provided in the link shared below. This tool streamlines the website creation process, requiring only a few clicks to generate a fully functional site. Sign up for the AI website builder using the link provided in the description to access a 3-month free trial and enjoy up to 75% savings. Follow the prompts to start creating the website. Input the business's details, such as the name, type, and description, into the website builder. Within seconds, the tool will generate a professionally designed website tailored to the business's needs. Customize the website by updating the contact information with the business's details. Once finalized, present the website to the business owner, allowing them to review and request any necessary revisions. By offering an affordable solution to businesses without websites, you can establish mutually beneficial partnerships. Businesses gain an online presence to showcase their services, while you earn a profit without extensive effort. In summary, leveraging Google Maps to identify businesses lacking websites and utilizing AI technology to swiftly build customized websites presents a lucrative opportunity for earning money online in a short period of time. This approach benefits both businesses seeking an online presence and individuals looking to generate income through website creation services. Now, let's delve into one of the final methods I'll discuss in today's video for quickly earning money online, which involves promoting other people's products and services. In today's digital age, you don't necessarily need to create or own a product to make money. Instead, you can leverage affiliate marketing programs to earn commissions by promoting products or services to your audience. There are numerous ways to kickstart this side hustle. One option is to join the Amazon Associates program, where you can earn commissions by promoting products listed on Amazon using your unique affiliate link. Another option is to promote digital products or services, which often offer higher profit margins than physical products. What makes affiliate marketing one of the fastest ways to make money is its simplicity. You don't need to develop products, hire a team, or invest significant capital. Instead, you sign up for affiliate programs, obtain your unique affiliate links, and focus on targeting the right audience. One effective strategy I personally utilize is called search-based affiliate marketing. This involves placing your affiliate links in front of individuals who are actively searching for information about the product or service you're promoting. Mastering this approach can significantly expedite your earnings. However, it's crucial to understand that while affiliate marketing is straightforward, it's not necessarily easy. Success requires diligence, strategy, and continuous effort. If you're interested in learning more about how to succeed in affiliate marketing, I offer a free webinar where I share insights and strategies that helped me generate over $100,000 in earnings. If you loved this Make Money Online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video.